guys, and welcome back to the channel. Look at these peas, guys. It's called Jerusalem peas or kidney beans. It is also known as Indian cowpeas, and it is native to Africa, but you know, it is cultivated in warm regions such as Portugal, Italy, India, and China, among other places, and it also grows wild in Jamaica. It is originally called red peas, which is used to make traditional rice and peas. We also use it in stews and soups in Jamaica. So today I am going to be making rice and peas with this red peas or Jerusalem peas. So here, guys, in this pot I have transferred the already pressure cooked peas into this pot here, so I can go ahead and finish it off on the stove top. So the peas is tender. If I squish it, you'll see how tender it is. So it is now ready to be seasoned and complete cooking the rice and peas, and the broth from it is red. It's gonna make the rice very fluffy. So I'm adding my coconut milk right now, and you know, you can use either the coconut milk from the can or from the sachet or the native coconut. So I'm adding some butter. It's salted butter, and then I'm also adding some blended green seasoning, which consists of like garlic, pimento seed, scallion, ginger. I had blended it and put it on the freezer. So I've added my scallion, and I'm adding some fresh thyme, and I just added another ingredient. I won't say what it is. Comment if you know it. I added my Scotch bonnet pepper and also some powdered season, which is just all-purpose season. I've just added that last ingredient. I'm not saying what it is. If you want to guess what it is, you can comment it. If you comment it correctly, I will let you know it's correct. So I've added 2 ingredients, which I have not stated what they are, but you know, if you can guess, you can type it in the comment section. Okay guys, I was saying you could type it in the comment section, and after about 10 minutes, you know, all the ingredients have come together nicely. The aroma, it smells just great. So right about now I can go ahead and add my rice, and I am using some basmati rice. It's gonna help with how fluffy and how rich this rice and peas actually turns out. Let me take this moment, guys, to welcome all my new subscribers. I see you. Welcome. Join the party, guys. Over here there's much excitement. There are family activities, you know. We go on family outings. I take you to different destinations in Canada, and of course international travel is coming up. And guys, lots of cooking, different cuisines, mainly Caribbean cuisine, Jamaican style. I do some African cuisine, some Indian cuisine, some Chinese cuisines, lots and lots of cuisines on this channel, guys. If you go through my previous videos, you'll see them. So welcome, and don't hesitate to comment and like, and let me know how you like the videos. You know, give it a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed, those who are new, you can go ahead and subscribe. So I like to steam the rice, so I've added, you know, the file paper on top, and I've turned the flames all the way down to low, and I'm just gonna let this steam nicely. Okay guys, now look at the finished product. Look how fluffy this rice and peas turns out. It is well cooked. The Jerusalem peas, they are so tender, and look how rich this rice and peas looks. The Jerusalem peas really give it a very rich red looking texture, and look how nice this is, and the flavor is something else. And those two ingredients that I did not mention, they are the star of the show. If you are willing to guess them in the comment section, guys, I will confirm it and tell you what it is. So now it's time to enjoy. Okay guys, look at my son. He is such a foodie, and he has to sample all my dishes as soon as I'm done cooking. So if he gives it the thumbs up coming from a foodie, then you know it's good. Thank you so much guys for watching, and come back next time, and don't forget to subscribe.